Hi everyone, for today's video I will going to share to you my new leaf blower which I will be using in my car to remove snow, and also after washing my car I can use this blower to dry it. To be specific, this blower is Worx Leaf Jet, a brushless motor leaf blower. It has a 20 volts lithium-ion rechargeable battery. It has 130 miles per hour wind speed and 410 cubic feet per minute wind blow. We can control the wind speed and the wind blow by adjusting this part. Just press it and pull it and you adjust the wind blow. If you make it shorter, you adjust the wind speed. Now let's assemble it and try it outside. Just want to make sure I have a full charge battery. Okay. Now let's head out and try this blower. Okay, this is the car that we will going to clean using our leaf blower. So we will start on the top.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
That's how fast it is. Now our car is clean, free from snow. Okay, I hope you like this video and thank you.